It's me, Silly Miss Lily.
And Paisley.
And today we're over at Jay's Gem Mine, and we're gonna mine for some gems. We're gonna crack our own geodes and look at some really cool gems and crystals together. It's gonna be so much fun, come on! Oh wow, look at this! Wow! Oh, this is cool.
Hey, come on in, I'll show you around. Ooh, look at this. He's cool. So are you. You're cool too. You are too. You are too. You are too. You're shaped like a four-leaf clover. You're shaped like a heart. You look like a stone. This is where the fancy starts. This is where the fancy ends. So it's fancy, 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 fancy. Ooh, look at this. Well, I like putting my hand in here.
Do you like the texture of it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like hardish.
Yeah. This place is so amazing because there's so many different crystals and gems from so many different areas, and there's so many different colors. They all have names, like these all glow. Oh, and it shows which materials like they're made of and which country they're from. So Madagascar, Morocco. Okay, now we're gonna mine some gems. We have this bucket full of sand and gems and fossils in there.
I'm gonna start.
You ready? Okay, let's put them all the way in. Let me know if you want me to help you put the sand and the rocks in, okay?
Oh, I think I got something.
I think so.
Then we pour it in here.
And then we'll give it a nice wash. Yeah!
Look at that knot.
Wow. Okay, give it a nice shake. Oh, wow. We're like real treasure hunters. I don't know, pirates? Who looks for treasures?
Give this a nice shaky shake.
Give it a good shake. Wow. You want to show that over there?
Look.
Wow. That is beautiful. Okay, I'm going to put it in. We're getting treasures going.
See, a tooth. Humongous. Let's see. Let me put this down.
Sure.
To see what I got.
Okay, what did you find, girl?
This. And this.
Look at that.
There.
That's like rainbow purple, sparkly.
Can you take a view of this? You might have to take this whole bucket out because I got a lot of treasures.
Look at that. Wow. I was learning that some of the rocks, well, all of the rocks, they get their color from the minerals that they're near. And so the purple one, I believe, is amethyst, and it gets the purple from the iron that it's near. Like absorbs it like color, like paint color almost.
What are these shells-looking ones?
I think that's like seashell fossils.
Oh, so those are fossils?
Yeah.
I think maybe I found a fossil.
Wow. That looks like this. Is this the dinosaur poop? I think I found dinosaur poop. This is dinosaur poop. Oh my god. This is it.
Is dinosaur poop?
Look at dinosaur poop. Fossilized dinosaur poop. That's unreal. I think I'm getting something fancy. All right, give that a nice wash.
This is what you got.
Oh, that's cool. Let's put that in our treasure bag. Look at this collection. Wow. You know what? Let's see if we can match a few stones. Okay, so this one has some spots, right? This looks like this dalmatian stone. This one's beautiful and purple. You can match this here to this amethyst. Look at this. This is like super silver, super shiny. I think this is the pyrite. what's this then? This kind of like purple, silver, blue. Let's see if we can find that. Is it this? Chalcopyrite? All right, now we've got our treasure bag. Let's take it over to the table. We'll put it all out so we can take a look at each one and see what they are. Come on.
Let's dump all your rocks out right there in the middle of the table.
We're gonna put them all down and then see if we can match them to see which gems and stones we found together.
All right, you had already started matching these. Do you know what those are?
Let's see,
There you go. And look at this one. What color do you see?
white and blue.
And now it's more blue.
Yeah.
So that one is your fluorescent rock. So that one's fluorite.
How about these?
All right, those are going to be on this sheet up here. Can you find those on this sheet?
Let's see.
Perfect. So this one is your purple quartz, which is amethyst. Can you say amethyst?
Amethyst.
Very good. And this one is rose quartz. Can you say rose quartz?
Rose quartz.
Very, very good.
Wow.
Let's see, what about this one?
That is one of our fossils, which is a sea urchin.
Oh, wow.
And sometimes they're fluorescent, so you get a little bit of color change. And it has 5 little
Arm-looking things.
arm-looking things on
Nice.
it. It's like your starfish.
Look at this.
This one is a really pretty one called calcopyrite. Can you say that one?
Calcopyrite.
Very, very good. And that has all the purples and blues on it.
What gives it that, the different colors or that glow?
It is a mix between your pyrite and copper, and then they dip them in an acid to further that oxidation.
I think I know which one this is.
What is
Yeah, which
that
one?
There you go.
Oh, you
It's a
did it!
Dalmatian stone. And you knew what this one was too, right?
Yeah, dinosaur poop.
There you go. That is your coprolite, your dino poop. Ooh, you found a mega shark's tooth.
Wow.
Oh, do you know what this one is?
Pyrite.
Very good.
Wow.
Right.
What's this?
So that one is a fun one. This one goes with our shark's teeth, but it's not a shark's tooth. It is a crusher plate from a stingray.
Oh, wow.
Stingray mouth plate.
What
Wow.
about this?
This one is
That's
a
pretty
nice
blue.
blue one called sodalite.
Let me see what else I got. So what are these?
These are called an orthoceras. Can you say orthoceras?
Orthoceras.
Very good. They're straight-shelled nautiloids. And then this one goes with your orthoceras. Can you say ammonite?
Ammonite.
Very good. That's your curled nautiloid.
What's this?
So that one doesn't have a spot on our sheets.
Ooh.
That one's a special one. If I can see it, that one's called yellow calcite. And with my bright light, watch what happens.
You gotta see through it almost.
It gets really, really bright. So we stick that one right there over our logo.
Aww.
You picked that one up a couple times. This one is your gray colored quartz called smoky quartz.
Oh.
Wow, I picked that one up a few times.
Yeah, how about that?
All right, you've got a couple of these. These are gastropods. Can you say gastropod?
Gastropod.
Very good.
Can I try shining the light on them?
Well, I hold on to these because they can hurt our eyes.
Look.
This one is petrified wood.
Whoa.
So this is your tree bark turned to rock.
Wow.
So
I mean,
one
that is
goes right
solid.
It is nice and solid, and sometimes a little bit of fluorescence, not a bunch, but that wood has been jasperized or turned to jasper. And then this one that you handed me is called green aventurine. It is bright light green.
Wow. These are so beautiful.
You have a rock that does a trick here too. It sticks to my magnet.
Oh, you got a magnet rock.
That one is called tiger's eye.
Wow. Oh, like the tiger eye when they shape them into the pearls and it does the necklace?
There you go, and that's a rough piece of that.
Wow.
That one is red jasper, which would go right here on your sheet.
Oh, this is very like clay looking brick color.
It does look a lot like your brick.
Wow.
This one's a really cool shark's tooth as well. So all of these are out of matrix. It's just the tooth. This one actually is attached to the matrix.
Like the jaw part? Like the...
From
Where
fell.
it fossilized, they would all sink down into a sedimentary area, and then they would pull those shark's teeth from that area. Typically, they're loose, and this actually has that sediment. It was on the bottom and brought that sediment
Wow.
up. These are the spine of an animal. So these are fossils of that animal spine, and you got a special one that is star-shaped.
Wow. Do we know which animal that is?
So it is a crinoid, so basically they would have a holdfast on the ground. This would be their spine or their backbone, and they look like flowers. We still have them in our oceans, and a lot of people call them sea lilies, but they are animals. They look like lilies of the sea.
Wow.
These are different types of mollusks. So this one is a bivalve mollusk. These are called hedgehog mollusks. Kind of look like your hedgehogs.
Cute.
We've got one more special one
let's
here.
take a look.
This one is amber. Amber is going to be fossilized tree sap. So this is the inside of the tree that fossilized, that sticky substance on the inside, and these are fluorescent as well.
Wow.
Just like your petrified wood, except this is the tree branch that mineralized, and this is the interior, the sap.
Wow. That's amazing. How do you feel after finding all those?
Proud.
Yes, you should. This is amazing. And you know what? There's another spot here where we can grab our own geodes and then go through a process of cracking them open, and inside are little crystals that we can discover.
Can I'll go for the...
Yeah, let's do it together. Come on.
So,
That one is going to be fluorite and calcite. Stellar beam calcite. That one's going to be stellar beam calcite. That one's going to be calcite on barite with a little bit of fluorite. That one's going to be barite, stellar beam calcite, and fluorite and sphalerite, and then fluorite on sphalerite.
the black one is?
Yes, ma'am.
And then...
Legos.
This speaks so much to your experience because you're able to just look at them, and somebody who's maybe unfamiliar, they'll say, oh, that's a rock, or that's a rock, you know, that's a white rock or a purple rock, whereas this is like, these are the minerals, right? The components, the periodic table, if you will, of specific ones, and you have the knowledge of really knowing like, hey, how are these put together, the time it took.
Really interesting thing. The calcite, the chemical composition of calcite is CaCO3 or calcium carbonate. Well, the chemical composition of limestone is CaCO3 or calcium carbonate.
How come they're the same?
Well, so that's kind of the deal. So limestone, if you were to take and dissolve it down, which doesn't take much acidity whatsoever, you can actually dissolve limestone with just table vinegar.
Wow.
If you dissolve it down to its base elements and then allow those elements to crystallize, they take that shape.
Wow.
So that's a limestone crystal.
So it's the process that differentiates what they're gonna end up looking like.
So limestone is a sedimentary rock, so it's all deposited via sedimentation. Whereas if that sedimentation then dissolves and gets down to its base elements and then allowed to crystallize, they crystallize in that shape.
Wow, I believe you have a question.
Yes.
What are these rings?
So those are sterling silver rings with natural gemstones in them, and they are absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah.
This one actually, we were talking about your birthstone. This one is a tanzanite ring. That's your birthstone for December.
Wow.
Whoa.
That's so special. Hey, you know what? How about we take some of the geodes? You want to pick them out and then do the cracking?
Look, they're over here.
Okay, come on. Okay, let's pick those out. Which one would you like? Nice. And then let's do, how about one from here? Nice. And you know what? How about one from these buckets? Which one would you like from
So
those?
what, this, or that?
Yeah,
This.
that's gonna be nice. You want to carry them?
I'll carry this one
I'll
first.
carry these two.
This guy goes first.
Oh, the small one first. Perfect.
Here we go. We've got the safety goggles.
And I'll take the other two from you.
Thank you. All right, Miss Noodle, you ready? You got your safety goggles on. Here we go.
And so what we are going to do is we're going to take and have you step right on up and then push down, pick it up, and then push it back down again. Perfect. Just keep doing that.
Okay, you got this, strong girl.
Already a pro.
Yeah.
Oh, and I think that might be it right there. So we'll just stop. Yeah, we are in. Got a little bit of crushing going on, but oh man, sparkles for days.
Wow.
All the sparkles.
Let me see, let me see.
So many sparkles.
Wow. Wow.
Let's see if this one fluoresces sometimes. Oh yeah, you get some nice white fluorescence in that geode.
I'd like to crack my second, which would be this one.
Ooh, that's gonna be a great
So
one.
this one's bigger,
Okay.
but not the biggest. That one's, so it's small, bigger, biggest.
Wow. Here we go. So we got a second one in. What was this one?
This one is from Druzy Mist Mine in Mexico.
Okay.
So this one's a Mexican geode.
And you guys get your gemstones from all over the world.
All over the world.
Wow. Yeah, you're doing like a whole pull-up on it, girl. This is gonna be a good one. Ooh.
Nope, not quite there.
Oh, here we go. If people don't have this tool at home, how would they go about cracking one?
They typically throw. Oh, there we go. That was it.
Let's see it.
They'll typically throw them on the ground, try to hit them with other rocks, a hammer and chisel, any number of things. Because I mean, you saw that one was tough, and we have the right tool to get
Let's
it.
open it.
So, let's open it. Oh man, look at that.
Whoa, that is cool. So what is it called when it's inside? That's like the cavity of it.
So this is the vug, or the cavity with the crystals we're able to form. So in order for us to have crystal growth, it always has to grow into a negative space. There has to be a negative space there to get the crystals.
This one's
And
my
it start
rock.
growing from the liquid that starts depositing.
There you go.
Okay.
Yeah. Most crystals are formed from solution. So just like growing rock candy crystals and whatnot,
Yeah.
you make that solution and you heat it up to where you can keep adding sugar
one
to the
moment.
point where it can't hold any more sugar. And then the solution then wants to get rid of it, and the way it does is by depositing crystals.
So interesting.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I bring those gems back home so that Dad can see them?
Yes, ma'am. Yep. You get to keep everything you found here. Well, everything in mine and bucket and
So special. Okay.
perfect.
Oh, that is a brave face. Okay. This means business.
This one's a little easy.
Yeah? You think the experience is helping?
Yeah.
Ooh.
That's it. I think we're in.
I wonder what it is.
Oh man. Nice crack on that geode. And oh, look at that one.
Whoa.
Gorgeous geode.
You want to show that to Miss Megan? Look.
Look.
We call those sugar quartz geodes, and I'm sure you can kind of tell why. It looks like a bunch of sugar crystals off in there.
Wow. Look at that.
White.
Wow.
Isn't that crazy?
That
Just
one will be for your
natural
sugar
wonders.
quartz.
Wow, this was so much fun. Thank you so much for spending your time with us. I love playing with you, and I'm really proud of you. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you're looking for more of our videos, make sure to search for Paisley's Corner with Silly Miss Lily.
And Paisley.
And we'll see you then. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.